So here we are, on our way to Cleveland, Ohio. It's gonna be a good time. Been there before, gonna go there again. But this time, we got a special guest.
It's currently like around 8 a.m. The worst time of day.
9 a.m.
It's 9 a.m.
It's 9 a.m.
It's very 8 a.m., 9 a.m. today. The time of day when only the worst and most productive people in society are out and about. And we are about to go to Cleveland, Ohio, the Chicago of Illinois.
I'm Squeezy Jim. That's Louie Bignose. And we'll see you again. So here we are. Cleveland, Ohio. We're going in that building over there. Alright, so we actually aren't going in that building just yet. Someone has a caffeine addiction that they need to feed. Wonder who that is. Got a very precise procedure going on here.
It looks like I'm making a mess, because I am.
So we got the caffeine, we got what we need. We're actually headed over to that building over there.
You know, they say if you can make it here, you can make it in Middle America. Dunkin.
America does run on Dunkin, reportedly.
What?
Piece to camera.
Kiss the camera?
Piece to camera.
Here we have the very first examples of folding tables in art. Crafted this by Saint Rich Evans in the 17th century. His later work would include Dick the Birthday Boy and Spookies, a review.
So here we are, the Cleveland Art Museum, taking a look at all kinds of international modern art, contemporary action. I can't even find Louie Bignose. He's lost to time like tears in the rain. So there we were, the Art Museum of Cleveland, Ohio. What'd you think about it?
Well, you couldn't beat the photography section. Such a wide selection, so many great photographs. Yeah, it was a great place, but too much nudity for me.
What would you give it on a scale of 1 to 15? Alright, the whole reason that we came all the way to Chicago, everybody, get your applause ready for Cloud. Check a look.
Now look at this thing. What a modern testament to man's
proclivity to take selfies in front of something. Absolutely amazing. Not overrated at all. Not an eyesore. Total work of art. Love it. Beautiful. And like I said, not enough people pose in front of it to post on social media. Just not enough. I'd like to see those numbers go through the roof. So right here, this metallic ball, essentially. One of a kind. Woo, the bee!
So I'd like you to explain to me the game that you were explaining earlier about hearing a certain individual's name, a certain DT, a boy that helped me out once or twice.
Oh, I'm not gonna. I try to see how long I can go without hearing the current president's name. So far, my record is a day and a half. Online counts too. You can't see his name come up anywhere online. See how long, for those of you at home, you can go without hearing his name. Try it.
See, I've personally never got involved in this game before, but I'd say that I'm guessing I probably maybe a day or two. The problem is, or the thing is, I don't really get involved in the current news cycle, but
you don't have to. It just comes up organically, it seems. Yeah. My record was 2 days because I was camping.
I was looking for the entrance.
check a look.